So today we're going to take a look at how you can put your Steam Deck into desktop mode. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is just press your Steam button, go down to your power settings. Once you're here, just click switch to desktop. Now it'll take a few moments and it'll just go through some transitions, and here we are in our desktop mode. As you can see here, we can use our touchpad on this side to move our cursor. And if you want to right click, you can just use the left trigger. Then you can use this like a whole Linux computer. It even has some different applications that you can access here in the application launcher. We go down there, you can see all sorts of different applications. There's also a store that you can download applications from called the Discover Center, which is here. We close down this application bit. Sometimes it's a little bit buggy, but yeah, you can see here something's not going right there. But either way, you can see that the application store's there. Sometimes it takes like a minute or so, I think, to load in properly, because it does often switch rather fast. I find giving it a minute or so to do it helps. But to go back to the desktop, like the gaming mode, you see up here we have return to gaming mode. Simply click that and you'll see now it'll do this screen for a second and eventually it'll go back to gaming mode. And that's it, now back into gaming mode. As you can see there we are back in our Steam. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.